Hello everyone, today I will teach you to edit your PoF profile. First click on browser, go to pof.com, click on here is username and password, enter your username and password. Click on check mail button. Here you can see edit profile on the right side of your desktop. Click on edit profile. Now here you can see a long form. You can change anything with your choice. You can change everything you want. After changing this all, click on update profile. If you want to change essential information, you can change it also. If you want to change your password, enter your old password. Enter new password. Re-enter your new password. Click on update password. Now your passport is successfully changed. Thanks for watching. Subscribe our channel. Thank you.